Hyderabad Islamic School. Hyderabad Islamic School. Hyderabad Islamic School.
Let's move to our next segment of March Past. Here we go. From the stage with the forwarding March Past. March Past is a
Captain, forward more, start!
To pay tribute to our esteemed chief guest, we will now proceed with the march past by our dedicated and disciplined participants. This ceremonial display reflects our respect for the values of unity, strength, and pride. At this moment, we will be commencing the dignitaries to escort on the stage to the field, which will be done by our president of the school, vice president of the school, captain and vice captain, and all houses, captains and vice captains.
Captain, stop!
Now I request our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our honorable co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, our esteemed and dignified personality, backbone of HIS group of school, our respected chairman sir, Mr. Mohammad Farooq sir, branch director of Chadarghat, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, respected director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir, a powerful lady director of Baradari branch, Ms. Nausheen Zahid ma'am, to please join us in a guard of honor. Our students are ready near the stage to escort our dignitaries on the field. I also request our Khilwat branch director, Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, to join in a guard of honor, and our esteemed GTO member, Abida ma'am, to please join us with the dignitaries in guard of honor. And I also request our respected BAs, Zainab ma'am, to please join in the guard of honor with all our dignitaries. It's a delightful moment and a pride moment for all Hyderabad Islamic School, HIS group of schools, where we can witness all the dignitaries in one panel, where we have our Chief Executive Officer, Chief Operating Officer, branch directors of Khilwat branch, Santosh Nagar branch, Chadarghat branch and Baradari branch, along with our backbone of HIS group of schools, our respected chairman sir, and we have our delightful DTO member Abida ma'am and respected BS of Zainab Fatima ma'am. I request our senior most DTO member of Fazaradiniya department, Mr. Mesher sir, to please join in the guard of honor. I request respected Mesher sir to please join dignitaries in the guard of honor. We request all the dignitaries to please come forward with the due respect. Our students are waiting along with the commander, Mr. Sohail, to escort you on the field for flag hoisting ceremony. Dear audience, you can see all these efforts are the result of the hard work we have done since last 2 months. We really appreciate the team and we really appreciate the BS of Mohalpura Boys Branch, Shahana Khan ma'am, who have trained along with the head boy Mr. Sohail, to all the girls, and our BS Zainab Fatima ma'am. It's an honor and privilege to have all the dignitaries in one panel. Now the drum beat rolls and started to escort our dignitaries near the stage.
Captains, about turn! Captains, guards of honor, start!
Now here with the drum beats, a guard of honor started. It is an essential component of any sports day or ceremonial event, and its importance can be seen in the several perspectives. It showcases unity and discipline of the team, schools and organization. It's a pride movement and it allows the students to display their pride and identity, promoting a sense of belonging and loyalty. It It requires careful planning, coordination, and execution, helping to develop our organizational skills. It teaches our students the importance of punctuality and time management. It develops
Captain, stop!
Now here, the ceremony of flag hoisting is going to commence by our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, and our respected Chairman sir, Mr. Mohammad Farooq sir, along with our esteemed co-founder and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, is ready to hoist the flag. We came together to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship, unity and achievement on this wonderful occasion of our Sports Day. We are honored to have with us our esteemed guest, our founder and Chief
Captain's
Executive
clap.
Officer, co-founder and Chief Operating Officer, respected Honorable Chairman sir, graciously joined us to witness this grand celebration. To mark this special moment and to symbolize the light of hope, ambition and success, we are about to release It's a pride moment for Hyderabad Islamic School, Yakutpura branch, that our flag is hoisting in the ground by our dignitaries, our founder and co-founder. Pigeon flying ceremony takes place by our co-founder and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, along with our founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our respected dignified Chairman sir, Mr. Mohammad Farooq sir. And the ceremony takes place. After completing the flag hoisting ceremony,
Captains, about time! Guards of honor, start!
With a flat march past, our student begins, and with the due respect, they are escorting on the field our dignitaries, where we have our dignified Chairman Sir, Mr. Mohammad Farooq Sir, and our Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq Sir, along with our Co-Founder and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman Sir. We have Chadarghat Branch Director, Mr. Mohammad Ismail Sir, Santosh Nagar Branch Director, Mr. Mohammad Irfan Sir, and a powerful Lady Director of Barabari Branch, Ms. Norshin Zahid Ma'am, along with our esteemed DTO member, Meshur Sir and Abida Ma'am, respected BAS, Zainab Fatima Ma'am. Our captains are taking our dignitaries towards the stage. It's an opening ceremony which represents
Captain, stop!
the symbol of discipline, ethical values and culture of Hyderabad Islamic School. And it begins the ceremony of Sports Day. Well done, students, very well done and well executed. Over to you.
Captain Subaltern! Forward march, start!
Captains have started the forwarding march past. Forwarding march past is a symbol of collaboration and coordination, and it develops their strength, skills, mindfulness, and even they have done it in a very short time. We really appreciate the hard work of the teachers and the trainers. Special thanks to Moghalpura Boys Branch BS, Mishana Khan ma'am, and we have a head boy, Mr. Sohail. We really appreciate your hard work in training them. Entire team, salute to your courage. Now we can see our captains moving to their respective groups. Here we go. Our captains are ready with their respected groups: Saffron House, Blue House, Green House and White House. Holding the banner of Hyderabad Islamic School, giving the message of peace and harmony, our students are ready on the field with their captains and school president and vice president.
We welcome you all to the much awaited March Past ceremony of Hyderabad Islamic School, Yakutpura. Today we gather here to witness the exemplary discipline, strength and unity displayed by our participants as they march in the honor of tradition, patriotism and team spirit.
Indeed, the march past is not just a display of physical prowess, but also a symbol of dedication, teamwork and the values we hold dear. It's a celebration of our commitment to excellence and a reflection of collective strength of our institution. Without further delay, let us begin the ceremony.
President, Vice President, come forward with flag march.
Dear audience, you can see our President and Vice President.
Orange House,
leading
come
the
forward with
Saffron
flag
House.
march.
Saffron House, the importance of the orange color is energy and vibrance. It represents energy, vibrance and enthusiasm, which are essential for athletes to perform their best. It symbolizes warmth, excitement and playfulness, creating a lively atmosphere in the sports. It is also associated with
Orange House,
creativity,
stop!
inspiration and
White
imagination.
House, come forward with flag march.
Now with the flat march past, here we join the White House. It is the color
White
of
House.
purity and cleanliness and innocence, reflecting the fair play and sportsmanship it values in sports. It's a neutral color symbolizing impartiality and equality, which is essential in sports competitions. It gives clarity, focus and mental sharpness, helping our athletes concentrate and perform at their best. It is often used in a sports uniform.
White House, stop! Blue House, come forward with flag march.
After the White House, here joins the Blue House. Blue House holds its significance in its team's values, unity and dedication during the march past. It fosters a sense of belonging and pride among its members, and they showcases their teamwork and coordination. March Past emphasizes discipline, synchronization, and leadership traits that the Blue House strives to uphold in its spirits and beyond. Their performance reflects their preparation, commitment, and competitive spirit. Along with the Blue House, next
Blue House, stop! Greenhouse, come forward with flag march.
Now we have Greenhouse. Parents, Greenhouse is a symbol of peace and harmony. It also represents nature and harmony, growth and renewal. You can see our student in the green color, which is the most commonly playing surface in the many sports such as football, rugby and cricket. Many sports equipment incorporate green into their uniforms. Parents, आप देख सकते हैं हमारे बच्चों का कोऑर्डिनेशन कितनी बेहतरीन तरीके से एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है ग्राउंड पर. ये हमारी बच्चों की मेहनत है जो वो लोग 2 महीने से कर रहे हैं. वो लोगों का कोऑर्डिनेशन और सिंक्रोनाइजेशन बिल्कुल ही परफेक्ट है. वो लोग वेल ट्रेन किए गए हैं. हमारे परफेक्ट ट्रेनर्स, प्रोफेशनल.
Greenhouse, stop! All houses, stop! Standardies, attention! Standardies, attention! Standardies, attention! Standardies, attention! Orange House, forward march, start!
Without further delay, let us begin the sermon. First, we all have seen the arrival of marching students. These impressive groups will showcase the results of months of training, practice, and teamwork. As they come forward, let us remember that each step represents not just the discipline of these participants, but the spirit of camaraderie and perseverance that binds us all together. We now look forward to witnessing this disciplined and synchronized performance. As we watch them march, we are reminded of the values of leadership, unity, and strength that they embody. This is the moment of pride for all of us.
Here we go. Our students are ready now.
Orange House, salute!
Presenting the salute to all the dignitaries with their president, vice president, school captain and vice captain holding the banner of Hyderabad Islamic School. Saffron House, we are really proud of you all. Your dedication, hard work and teamwork is displayed now. Very well done, girls. Now next we have White House heading with the forwarding march past with the flag of house with the
Orange House, salute down!
leading ahead along with the Orange House. Here we have White House is ready to salute.
White House, salute!
It's an awesome moment and a prideful moment for all HI's group of schools. Our students are well trained by the professionals and we really appreciate the dedication and the hard work they are showcasing now on the field. Forwarding march past is a symbol of discipline, ethical values. It showcases the culture of Hyderabad Islamic School. Next we have Blue House. The
Blue House, salute!
Saluting the dignity.
White House, salute
Very well
down!
done. Leading with the green house, symbol of nature and harmony. Here we go. Our blue house is leading with again the green house on the field. With the forwarding march past, our house
Blue
member.
house, salute down. Green house, salute.
Very well, students. You are really doing great. We are all proud of you. Very well done. It's a wonderful job done by you all. Your dedication, hard work and teamwork is displayed on the field today. It's a result of your continuous practice since last 2 months. We really appreciate the hard work of the teachers, teamwork and the entire team. We salute to your dedication and hard work what you have given to our students.
Green house, salute down.
As the march continues, we are reminded of importance of discipline, coordination and commitment. These qualities are not just limited to today's event, but are what we aspire to uphold in every aspect of our life. To our all marching participants, we congratulate you on your outstanding performance. The efforts, energy and teamwork you have displayed today are truly commendable. We hope this ceremony continues to inspire all of us to uphold the values of discipline, unity and strength in our everyday lives.
All houses, top flat march.
Now here we have all the houses gathered on the field. They have stopped their flat march path.
Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention.
Now here we go with another surprising moment on the field. We have our students ready to do the formations. It's going to be an awesome moment. Parents, hold your seats and be patient to witness the wonderful moment of the day. To all our marching participants, we congratulate you on your outstanding performance. The effort, energy and teamwork you have displayed today are truly commendable. We hope this ceremony continues to inspire all of us to uphold the values of discipline, unity and strength in our everyday lives. All the very best for your future endeavors. Go ahead and show us the new surprise of the day.
Now I request to all captains. Come for oath ceremony. Come for oath ceremony with forward march. President, Vice President.
Now it's time for the oath ceremony will be taken by our all sports persons present in the field, gather on the field.
Cross your flags.
Shall we begin with the oath ceremony? We are good to start the oath ceremony. Over to you on the field.
Welcome everyone. Today we, the student of Hyderabad Islamic School, gathered here to take part in the sports of our annual sports day. Let us take a solemn oath to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship. Today, I promise to give my best effort to strive for excellence and to support my fellow athletes. I promise to win with humanity, to lose with grace, and to conduct myself with dignity and pride. I take this oath as a proud member of Hyderabad Islamic School to uphold the value of fair play, teamwork, and respect. Thank you.
Captains, go back to your group. Go back. With forward march. Start.
The oath ceremony has been completed. It's a wonderful moment. Now our captains have completed the march past. Let's wait for the next.
हिंदुस्तां हमारा ہندوستان ہمارا ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا گودی میں کھیلتی ہے اس کی ہزاروں ندیاں گلشن ہے جن کے دم سے گلشن ہے جن کے دم سے رش کے جنا ہمارا ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا ہندوستان ہمارا ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا مذہب نہیں سکھاتا آپس میں بیر رکھنا مذہب نہیں سکھاتا آپس میں بیر رکھنا ہندی ہے ہم ہندی ہے ہم ہندی ہے ہم وطن ہے ہندوستان ہمارا ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا ہندوستان ہمارا ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا سارے جہاں سے اچھا ہندوستان ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا ہندوستان ہمارا ہمارا سارے
Wow, what a beautiful formation we are witnessing. A tricolor and a tribute. Very well done, girls. Really, it's looking awesome. Splendid formation by you all.
ہندوستان ہمارا ہمارا سارے جہاں سے اچھا پربت وہ سب سے اونچا ہمسایہ آسماں کا او سنتری
Amazing, girls. You are making all of us proud on each and every moment of yours. Wonderful presentation and awesome execution you have done. Now it's time to move towards the another part.
اللهم انصر إخواننا في فلسطين اللهم أعز الإسلام والمسلمين الله يا الله يا الله اللهم انصر الفلسطين کوئے کہاں تیرے نگہبان اے مسجد اقصی اے ارض فلسطین تو ڈھونڈ رہی ہے سچے مسلمان اے مسجد اقصی اے ارض فلسطین حاضر ہے حاضر ہے حاضر ہے ظالم سے لڑیں گے ڈٹ کر اے مسجد اقصی اے مسجد اقصی اے مسجد اقصی اے مسجد اقصی لبیک یا اقصی لبیک یا اقصی لبیک یا اقصی لبیک یا اقصی حرمت پہ تیری اقصی ہم لوگ لڑیں گے مرنا ہی ہمیں ہے تو لڑ کر ہی مریں گے بازار نگر یہ ستمگر ہم ماریں گے گھر میں گھس کر بازار نگر یہ ستمگر ہم ماریں گے گھر میں گھس کر اے مسجد اقصی اے مسجد اقصی اے مسجد اقصی اے مسجد مسجد اقصی ہر قلب مسلمان میں ہے آج تیرا غم، دیکھ کے تیری یہ غالت ہر رات اب غم، مولا بیچ کوئی رہبر کاٹے ظلم کا اب جو سر، مولا بیچ کوئی رہبر کاٹے ظلم کا اب جو سر، اے مسجد اقصی، اے مسجد اقصی، اے مسجد اقصی، اے مسجد اقصی۔
On behalf of all those involved in this meaningful act, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude.
MashaAllah, it's amazing to see the standing ovation from our parents.
معزز سامعین و سامعات،
Thank you parents, Jazakallah khair.
معزز سامعین و سامعات، السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ حامدا مصلیا ومسلما عما بعد، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ اللہ عز و جل کلام پاک میں ارشاد فرماتے ہیں، سبحان الذی اسری بعبدہ لیلا من المسجد الحرام الی المسجد الاقصی۔ اس آیت کریمہ میں اللہ عز و جل نے مسجد اقصی کا ذکر فرمایا اور فرمایا کہ ہم نے اس کے آس پاس برکتیں اتاری۔ مسجد اقصی فلسطین کے شہر بیت المقدس میں واقع ہے۔ یہ وہ مقدس سرزمین ہے جسے انبیاء کی سرزمین کہا جاتا ہے۔ مسلمان، عیسائی اور یہودی، یہ تینوں مذاہب کے ماننے والے اسے اپنا مقدس مقام مانتے ہیں۔ اس کی تاریخ خاک و خون سے بھری ہوئی ہے۔ زیادہ دور نہ جا کر ماضی قریب کے کچھ حالات سے آپ کو روبرو کروانا چاہتی ہوں۔ 20ویں صدی کے آغاز میں جب پوری دنیا سے یہودی قوم کو بھگایا گیا، کوئی جاہ پناہ نہ تھی، کوئی قوم، کوئی ملک انہیں اپنی سرزمین پر سر چھپانے کے لیے اجازت نہیں دے رہا تھا۔ ایسے وقت میں فلسطین کے لوگوں نے انہیں اجازت دی، مگر دیکھتے ہی دیکھتے یہ لوگ وہاں تیزی سے بسنے لگے۔ کچھ صرف گزر اوقات کو چھوڑ کر انہوں نے وہاں اپنی ریاست کے خواب دیکھنے شروع کر دیے۔ افسوس کہ نام کے عالمی لیڈروں نے اس ملک کو منظوری بھی دے دی۔ پھر کیا تھا، فلسطینیوں پر ان کی اپنی زمین تنگ کی جانے لگی۔ مسلمانان عالم خاموش رہے۔ یورپ اور امریکہ سے ملنے والے امداد پلنے والے یہودی غزہ میں بمباری کرنے لگے، ہماری بستیاں اجاڑنے لگے، غزہ کو تباہ و برباد کر دیا۔ مسلمان آبادیوں کو میزائل کا نشانہ بنایا گیا۔ عورتوں، دودھ پیتے بچوں اور ناتواں کمزوروں پر ظلم و تشدد کیا گیا، مگر خون کی ہولی کھیلنے والے بے لگام اسرائیلیوں پر لگام کسنے والا کوئی نہیں۔ عالم تنظیمی خاموش ہے۔ इंसानियत की दुहाई देने वाले हमारे दीन को सांप सूंघ गया। बाप के कंधों पर बेटों के जनाजे हैं, गजा कब्रिस्तान बन चुका है, आसारे मिटा दिए जा रहे हैं। मुसलमानाने आलम खामोश तमाशाई है। मस्जिदों में दुआएं तो है मगर इसकी हिमायत का कोई अमले इक़दाम नहीं।
फ़लस्तीन सिर्फ ज़मीं का टुकड़ा ही नहीं बल्कि ये हमारे ईमान व अक़ीदे का अहम हिस्सा है। यही वो सरज़मी है जहाँ पे हमारे अंबिया इकराम अलैहिस्सलाम तशरीफ़ लाए। इसी सरज़मी पर मुसलमानों का क़िबला अव्वल करार पाया। हमारे महबूब नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अंबिया इकराम की इमामत फरमाई और फिर मेराज मुक़द्दस का अज़ीम व शान सफ़र का आगाज़ फरमाया। क्या ये पाक सरज़मी यूं ही लुटने दी जाएगी? क्या सुल्तान सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी की कुर्बानियों को भुला दिया जाएगा? क्या क़िबला अव्वल की हिफाजत मुसलमानों की ज़िम्मेदारी नहीं है? वो बच्चे जिन्होंने जामे कौसर नोश फरमाया वो तो यही जवाब देंगे कि हम आखिरी सांस तक इस ज़मीन पर लड़ते लड़ते दफन हो गए। ज़मीन खुद की मिट्टी भी लहू मांगती है, ज़मीन खुद की मिट्टी भी लहू मांगती है। ये चिराग अपने मुहाफिज से ज़िया मांगती है।
मगर याद रहे कुफ्फार का निज़ाम ख़त्म होगा, सुल्तान सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी के जानशीन आएंगे, बातिल का गुरूर खाक में मिला दिया जाएगा, जुल्म व ज़्यादती का खात्मा होगा और वो वक्त आएगा जब बैतुल मुक़द्दस को कुफ्फार के चुंगल से छुड़ा लिया जाएगा। मगर ज़रूरत इस बात की है कि बुझते हौसलों में जान आ जाए, हर दर्दमंद दिल मिल्लत का जज्बा लेकर खड़ा हो, तालीम में, तहजीब में अमले ज़िंदगी इस्लाम और रूह इस्लाम को दाखिल कर लिया जाए। पूरी तवानाई उम्मत की तरक्की और खुशहाली में लगा दी जाए। फिर वो दिन दूर नहीं जब आज का देखा हुआ ख्वाब कल शर्मिंदा तामीर हो। उठो ये मंजरे शब्ताब देखने के लिए कि नींद शर्त नहीं ख्वाब देखने के लिए। बस इस शेर के साथ अपनी गुफ्तगू को ख़त्म करना चाहूँगी। क़ुव्वते इश्क से हर पस्त को बाला कर दे, क़ुव्वते इश्क से हर पस्त को बाला कर दे, दहर में इसमें मोहम्मद से उजाला कर दे। अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि हमारे फ़लस्तीनी भाइयों की मदद फरमा और हमारे बैतुल मुक़द्दस की हिफाजत फरमा। आमीन व आखिरु दाअवाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
On behalf of all those involved in this meaningful act, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering support of the Palestine Act. Today, your presence, your voice, and your dedication have proven that solidarity knows no borders. Through your participation, you have not only celebrated the power of sport, but also shown that we stand united with the Palestinian people in their pursuit of justice, peace and equality. Your support today sends a clear and powerful message that the struggles faced
तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो दूसरे सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो। जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना, जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना, जो सीना तान के तू चल दे उठता है सर अपना, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी, सर पर हाथ है अपना, तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना, सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी, ओ तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो।